Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford, and today I'm going to bring you a quick and dirty video where we're going to compare an aftermarket tuned Roush Ranger with a factory tuned Ranger Tremor. Let's get started. Let's get things started over here with this beautiful race red Roush Ranger. Now, Jack Roush is a legendary name in performance, motorsports, and aftermarket customization, and when they get their hands on an already capable Ranger, they tune it up to 11. Now, first things first, you're going to notice the Roush grill. The man's name is spelled right out there for you and is an homage to the Ford grill that you're going to find on the Ranger Raptor that we can't get here in the States. You're also going to have some running lights here on this grill as well. Down here you're going to have some red tow hooks, which are a nice beautiful feature, and under here you're going to get some underbelly protection, as this is the FX4 package here on this Roush Ranger. Now, coming along the side here, you're going to notice that this does have a higher stance to it. That's because it has been lifted. It has an aftermarket Fox 2.0 suspension system under it with coilovers in the front that are adjustable. You can also tell that this doesn't have that factory rake to the front of it, and it sits a little bit more level. Adding to that off-road capability are these General Grabber ATX tires that come in at 285 60R18, and you can see that they are mated up to these nice Roush wheels that are finished in a satin black with a simulated bead lock. Now, these wheels are exclusive to Roush, so you can't just get these off the street. You're going to notice some additional graphics here on the hood. You got some up there on the windshield and on the side over here as well. You can also get more graphics than this if you prefer. Right here on the side you have a functional heat extraction side blade with the Roush logo on it. And then you're going to notice that you're going to have wider fender flares here that are going to be more in line with the tires there. And then on all Roush vehicles you do get that nice American flag. This is outfitted with a spray-in bed liner, and over there you can see the man's name, Jack Roush, there on the back window. Now, this does have a tow package. This has the 302A package on it, which means it's pretty well kitted out. You're also going to have, from Roush, an aftermarket exhaust right there. We're going to move into the interior here. As you can see, these seats have been reskinned. These are finished in a nice supple leather that is diamond stitched, and then you got a simulated carbon fiber trim here on the side, and then don't forget the logo in the center. Down here, the floor mats have been replaced with these thick and robust WeatherTech all-season floor mats, again with the Roush logo on it. As I said before, it's a 302A, so you are going to get your electric seats down here. Coming into the interior, just want to point out that you do get a serialized badge. This is number 139. This just means that this truck is a little bit more rare than the Tremor over there, which you're going to see a lot more of on the streets. As you can see here in the center, the reverse R has been replaced with the Roush logo, and these gauges are finished in a nice red. All in all, a pretty cool package. So, as I mentioned, this is the FX4 package, so you're going to get those trail modes down here. You're going to get your rear locking differential. All in all, this is a pretty capable truck that has been reimagined by Roush and is just that more off-road capable. That's why we're comparing it today to the Ford factory-tuned Tremor. So now that we've seen the Roush, let's go and take a look at what Ford offers for their off-road package. So what we have here is the Tremor add-on package, which you can get on an XLT and Lariat. This is a pre-owned unit, just to tell you a little bit about it, so it does have some aftermarket accessories on it. But however, from the factory, you're going to get some Fox tuned suspension, just like you got over there. These have piggyback reservoirs and a coilover in front. You're also going to get these General Grabber ATX tires. They are going to clock in at a little bit smaller. You have a 265 70R17 with a 17-inch wheel. Another part of the Tremor right here is these side steps. They are finished in a bed liner material, but they do stick a little bit out for my taste. As I mentioned, this is a customized vehicle, so you're going to have a spray-in bed liner here, a tonneau cover, and this also has an AWE exhaust. We're going to listen to those exhausts and compare them here at the end of the video. Moving to the interior, the Tremor also has some reskinned seats here, but again, this is by the factory, so you're going to get that nice Active X material here in the center that keeps you nice and planted when you're going off-road, and the sides here are finished in a nice kind of vinyl. Also, you got your Tremor logo right there on the seat. Down here, you do have some all-weather floor mats, however, these are a lot flimsier. This is what comes from the factory from Ford. Moving to the interior, you're also going to get those trail modes in here, just like the FX4 package, and your rear locking differential, hill descent control. What you're not going to get over there in the FX4 Roush Ranger are these aftermarket auxiliary switches, so you can mount up your light bars and winches, what have you. This is all factory wired stuff, so you're going to have relays and all that ready to go. Mounted up to this Tremor is an aftermarket AWE exhaust, and I just want to reiterate that here at Richmond Customs we can outfit your Ranger with a variety of exhausts as well. Let's take a listen to what it sounds like revving. Not bad at all. Now, alternatively, here in the Roush, you're going to get a Roush exhaust. So this is what Roush has on the truck from the factory. This is not aftermarket. Let's take a listen. So with this exhaust, you're also going to get a little pops and gurgles, which is always a cool sound. Now again, this is a Roush exhaust, and us being a Roush dealer, we can get a Roush exhaust for your Ranger. So there you have it, two very off-road capable trucks, and a factory tuned Tremor and an aftermarket tuned Roush. The choice is yours. However, we are Central Virginia's only Roush dealer, so if this one tickles your fancy, make sure you come see us here at Richmond Ford. We also have this race red one and a blue one and a black one if you're ready to buy today. But if you're not, we can order either one of these vehicles for you with our order specialist standing by at the link in the description. And when you buy from us, you're going to get our exclusive 100,000 mile warranty and our 5-star customer service, because we are driven by you. Thanks for watching this video today. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and tell us what you think of the Tremor or the Roush Ranger, or both, in the comments. We'll see you next time.